If you're frustrated with your Ram truck due to ongoing defects, there is hope. Thanks to the California Lemon Law, consumers like you who are dealing with persistently defective vehicles have the opportunity to part ways with the problematic vehicle and seek compensation from Stellantis, Ram's manufacturer, for their troubles. In this video, we will thoroughly explore the Ram buyback process, including how it works, the common defects found in Ram trucks, affected models, determining eligibility for compensation, and the crucial initial step when filing a Lemon Law claim. So, let's jump right in. Firstly, let's address the question, what exactly is included in the Ram Lemon Law buyback settlement option? The California Lemon Law offers a buyback or repurchase option specifically designed to provide compensation for individuals who have purchased a Lemon vehicle from Ram. This settlement option aims to indemnify you for all the expenses related to the purchase of the defective vehicle. Under this provision, Ram or its parent company, Stellantis, commits to repurchasing the defective truck and fully reimbursing you for the original purchase price, sales and financing charges, previous monthly payments, as well as costs associated with repairs, towing, and car rental. What makes this settlement particularly advantageous is that the final payout amount has minimal deductions, known as mileage offset, to account for the usage of the vehicle before experiencing any repair issues. Before we proceed to the initial step of the claim filing process, let's take a moment to acquaint ourselves with the common defects that have been observed in Ram trucks and vans, resulting in Lemon Law claims. Here are some examples of these issues. Starter malfunction, defective sensors, fuel pump stays on, electrical issues, faulty airbags, transmission slippage or jerking, transfer case shift motor failure, excessive oil consumption, defective seat belts, suspension issues, steering system defects, check engine light, and engine overheating. Have you encountered any of these issues with your Ram truck or van? It's essential to acknowledge that while your vehicle may have distinct problems not listed here, any persistent or recurring issue that substantially affects the vehicle's functionality, safety, or value can be a valid reason to file a claim. Now that we have identified those issues, let's determine which truck models are covered by the Lemon Law. The Lemon Law covers the following Ram vehicle models: Ram 1500, Ram 1500 TRX, Ram 1500 Classic, Ram 2500, Ram Bighorn, Ram ProMaster, and the Ram ProMaster City. Have you encountered any repair problems with any of these Ram models? Moving forward, let's now proceed to assess if your truck or van meets the eligibility requirements for coverage under the Lemon Law provisions. In order to qualify as a Lemon, the vehicle must satisfy one of the following criteria. The vehicle must have been brought back to the Ram dealership at least twice for a significant safety defect. The vehicle must have been brought back to the dealership a minimum of 4 times for a non-safety defect or issue. The truck must have remained in the possession of the dealership for a total of more than 30 days due to a combination of defects. Now, get ready. This information is crucial. According to the law, if any of these requirements are met within the first 18 months or 18,000 miles, the vehicle is automatically classified as a Lemon. This process is commonly referred to as the Lemon Law legal presumption. However, what if the truck problems arise after surpassing the initial 18 months or 18,000 miles? The good news is that even beyond this specified time frame, there is still a possibility of compensation if the ongoing defects or issues originated during the vehicle's warranty period, which is typically around 3 years for a bumper-to-bumper warranty or approximately 5 years for a powertrain warranty. Now that you have grasped how this process operates, what is preventing you from taking the next step? If you possess a Ram truck or van in California and are encountering persistent issues or defects that the manufacturer has been unsuccessful in resolving, despite numerous attempts, you might qualify for compensation. There is a straightforward and evident course of action. Move forward to the next step by initiating the Lemon Law process through consultation with a skilled California Lemon Law attorney. Your attorney will meticulously assess your claim, offer tailored legal guidance, and assist you throughout the claims process. Here's the incredible part. Your attorney will provide all these services without charging you a dime. That's correct. You can have a highly skilled attorney working tirelessly on your behalf without any financial obligation. The truth is, Lemon Law attorneys in California operate on a contingency basis. This means that their fees will be covered by RAM as part of the settlement. They only receive payment if they succeed in winning your case. Don't delay any longer. It's time to take action and seek the compensation that you rightfully deserve. Remember, the law is on your side, and you should not be stuck with a lemon. For assistance to file a lemon law claim in California, visit lemonlawyers.org by clicking on the link in the description below or call 323-553-7525 today for a free consultation. Thank you for watching.